in order to get this pin out, you got to pry this. It's not focusing. There we go. You got to pry that pin up. Do this double-handed, but you stick the tool into that spot and there's a tab and you lift up and then pull the wire out. So you pull the wire out. So what I like to do is I like to push the wire up manually with my hands, pull the tab up, then slowly pull the wire down, because when you pull it up towards the plug, it releases tension, and then you basically just do that. That's it. You just clip the tab up and pull it, but make sure you have the back piece off right here. So pop this tab off and then do it, otherwise it ain't coming out. And so once you have it pinned, it'll look exactly like this. And then all you do is plug it up underneath right here where the 60 amp goes. Bam. And then you'll have your power wire. You can see how long this thing is. Yeah, you can see how long it is. Now you have a factory EP3 setup or Civic hybrid setup that runs exactly like stock. Because some of the Chinese fuses I've seen on Amazon, the inline fuses to the battery, sometimes they burn up. This is factory. You know that you have a factory fuse, you know you're good. So that takes care of the power wire.